the problems related to magnetism. The first question is, a small bar of iron is placed in a magnetizing field of intensity 1000 ampere per meter. If the magnetic induction in the specimen is 1.2 Weber per meter square, calculate its permeability and the susceptibility. And we have studied the relation connecting the permeability, magnetic induction and the magnetizing field intensity, and also the relation connecting the relative permeability and the susceptibility. The problem given that H is equal to 1000 ampere per meter. The magnetizing field intensity H is equal to 1000 ampere per meter, and the magnetic induction vector B is equal to 1.2 Weber per meter square. Calculate its permeability, that is mu should be find out, and also the susceptibility, magnetic susceptibility chi m should be find out. The first permeability, for that we are considering the relation connecting the B and H. The magnetic induction vector B is equal to mu into H, where mu is the permeability of a medium. Therefore, the mu can be written as B by H is equal to 1.2 divided by 1000. Then mu will be 12 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber per ampere meter. This is the value of mu, that is permeability. And we next is the susceptibility, and we have the relation between permeability of free space and permeability of a medium by the relation mu r is equal to mu divided by mu 0. That is, the relative permeability is the ratio between the permeability of a medium to the permeability of free space. Mu r is equal to mu by mu 0. Therefore, mu is given as 12 into 10 raised to minus 4. Mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, the relative permeability mu r will be 955. This is the relative permeability. And from the relative permeability, we can find out the susceptibility. That is, the relative permeability mu r is equal to 1 plus chi m. Therefore, chi m is equal to mu r minus 1. That is, here mu r is 955. 955 minus 1, that is 954. That is, the susceptibility is 954. And the permeability is 12 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber per ampere meter. And the second question is, that a solenoid of 500 turns per meter is carrying a current of 3 ampere. Its core is made of iron of relative permeability of 5000. Determine H, X, psi m, M and B inside the core. Here we have to find out the magnetizing field intensity H, the magnetic susceptibility chi m, and the magnetization vector M, and the magnetic induction vector B. So the given that here N is equal to 500 turns per meter, and the current I is equal to 3 ampere. Its core is made of iron of relative permeability, that is, mu r is equal to 5000. So N is given 500, I is given 3 ampere, and relative permeability 5000. Then first you have to find out H. and we have the relation H is equal to N into I, where N is the number of turns per unit length and I is the current. Therefore, we can substitute the value for N and I. N is 500 into I, that is 1500. Therefore, H is equal to 1500 ampere per meter. This is first one, H. And then it is chi m, that is magnetic susceptibility. And the magnetic susceptibility is related to the relative permeability by the relation mu r is equal to 1 plus chi m, or chi m is equal to mu r minus 1. Here mu r is given 5000. Therefore, chi m is equal to this 5000 minus 1, that is 4999. Then the third one is magnetization vector M. That is, the magnetization vector M and H are related by equation, that is M by H is equal to the magnetic susceptibility, or M is equal to the chi m magnetic susceptibility into H. Here the magnetic susceptibility we have find out from the relative permeability as 4999. Therefore, M will be this 4999 into H is given as 1500, and it will give, that is 7.6 into 10⁶ ampere per meter. And the fourth one is B. And we have studied the relation connecting the B, M and H. That is, B is equal to mu into H plus M. This is the mu 0, say permeability of the medium, free space. Therefore, substituting the value of H as 1500 and M as 7.6 into 10⁶ ampere per meter, mu 0 as 4 pi into 10⁻⁻⁷, we get 4 pi into 10⁻⁷, which is 1500 plus M is 7.6 into 10⁶. Finally, we get it is 9.4 Tesla. That is mu H, mu r, M, B. Find out. Then the third question is, the magnetic susceptibility of a specimen is 800. Calculate the relative permeability and permeability of the specimen. And here it is given that chi m is equal to 800, magnetic susceptibility. Then find out the relative permeability is mu r and the permeability of the specimen mu. And we have the relation connecting the relative permeability and the magnetic susceptibility as, that is, mu r is equal to 1 plus magnetic susceptibility. Here the magnetic susceptibility is given as 800. Therefore, this equation is 1 plus 800. It is, that is, the relative permeability is 800 and not 1. Then find out the permeability of the specimen. We have the relative permeability mu r is equal to the permeability of the medium divided by permeability of free space. Or here we have to find out the permeability of the specimen mu. Therefore, mu is equal to relative permeability into this mu 0. That is equal to, the relative permeability is 801 into mu 0 is 4 pi into 10⁻⁻⁷, and this will be 10⁻⁻3. The unit is Weber per ampere meter.